Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Azure AD access, and a clear app type. Open the Azure portal and go straight to Azure Active Directory. Once there, select App Registrations. Click New Registration to start, provide a descriptive name, choose supported account types, and enter redirect URI for your app. You do this now because naming and redirect selection determine authentication flow. Make sure to select the correct account type to avoid later tenant access problems and proceed to create the registration. Once the registration exists, you configure identity and access. First, copy the application client, ID and directory tenant, ID for code and config. These are required for token requests. Next, under authentication, add redirect URIs and choose platform types. If using SBA, enable implicit flow carefully. Then go to certificates and secrets to create a client secret or upload a certificate for production. Finally, in API permissions, add required scopes and grant admin consent if your app requires to finish, run an authentication test. Request an authorization code or token using the recorded ID and redirect URI, then exchange it for tokens. Make sure tokens include required scopes. If not, adjust API permissions and reconsent. Configure app roles or scopes for authorization, and if needed, edit the manifest for advanced claims. If something breaks, check redirect URI mismatches, expired client secrets, tenant consent requirements, and review sign-in logs in Azure AD to pinpoint failures and resolve them quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.